This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Brad Hiltz. Welcome home to Chesopeian Colony. A highly desirable neighborhood west/an active civic league, modest boat ramp in the Cox School District. This well-constructed, 3-bedroom 2-bath west/flex room over the garage home features an exceptional kitchen west/quartz countertops and appliances, screened porch back and covered oversized front porch. Bedrooms feature closet built-ins for organization and bookshelves in third bedroom. 2 fireplaces, 1 gas, 1 wood. Washer/dryer hookups are in the home and share the pantry room. Flooring is a combo of wood, tile and carpet. Attic access is available from the flex room. Comfortable sized yard with mature landscaping and an oversized 1-car garage.